Teddy bear. You're both. Mom, is the rice done?
My space.
You hungry?
My space. We are on Justina Mays Jackerson's MySpace.
Justina Jackerson.
Shut up, Ashley.
Jack Asen. The Busan.
It's not like I'm jacking us in. Jackerson.
Shut up.
You shut up. See what she has to say for herself.
Huh?
Hey, haven't
Whose birthday party?
talked to you in
You have a birthday party? You didn't tell me. Oh. Thought you meant like now. But who's going? Am I gonna be the only girl again? Well, then I'll just go with Abby and Nakia. Oh. Okay, I'll try stop. Yeah. Why? Take the water out of your throat? Well, then I'll call you back like in 10 minutes. I won't, I promise. Wait, what's your number? 633-3838? Okay, I promise. You're welcome. Bye. Make sure I don't forget.